Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, my loves. It's another beautiful day. I am excited. Why? Find out in a bit.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing.
Welcome back. And for today, I am so excited because I am going to show you yet another We're doing an unboxing today, and I am so excited about this because these products I've been looking for quite a while, and unfortunately they don't have a store or a shop in Macau, so I couldn't find them. So eventually my friend Mary told me that Wild Beauty can find all those beauty products, makeup, skincare that you guys are looking for, because they can they have suppliers all over the world. So I was happy when she told me, so I decided, can you find me are you guys ready? We are going to open my beauty box. I am going to show you. Can you guys see it properly? The most sought after Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if you pronounce it Charlotte or Charlotte Tilbury. Tilbury she's a makeup artist turned entrepreneur, businesswoman, and she is very famous not only because she's a good makeup artist, but because her products are very beautiful, very good, very effective. So I asked Mary to get me my wished for skincare, and also of course I need to have a makeup palette. So I'm gonna show you first my palette, the Walk of No Shame. Guys, the colors, they're beautiful, perfect. You can use it daytime or nighttime. I'll show you. Look, ladies, beautiful, right? And of course, packaging, so posh. I know. And also Wild Beauty, look at their packaging. It's beautiful, well presented. And now I'm gonna show you the skincare. I got myself a brightening youth glow. I'm not sure if you can see because of the light. Okay, the youth glow, brightening youth glow. And I also got myself the Beauty Flash Soft Focus Wonder Glow. It's gonna give you a glow. And I have my clay masks. Okay, I also have my, of course, creams. I got myself Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. So I have my two creams day and night creams. I'm so excited, really excited, because it's been years that I was, wishing that I hope Tilbury opens here in Macau. But another good news is that last year, only last year, they opened their first shop in Hong Kong. But because of the pandemic, we can't go to Hong Kong. So we're gonna wait until this situation is over before we can go shopping in Hong Kong. And I'm a little bit slow today. I just woke up, guys. WHYLDE Beauty, they are based in Macau. So if you guys need beauty products, skincare, send them a message, follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Mary does good reviews and show you their new products. And look what I got also. I got freebies. Look, I got a Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I'm gonna use this when I go to the pool. I got a free mask. And again, I'm gonna show you their box. Look at the box. It's so beautiful. I fell off because, see, nice packaging. I love shops with nice packagings, and I love shops that sells good quality products. So WHYLDE Beauty, don't forget, guys. And I'm excited to use this. I'm going to do a review after probably a few days of trying all these skincares, so I can see clearly the result, so I can share with you all. So it's just a quick episode today. Thank you guys for watching, and keep safe, stay productive. I'm looking at my window. It's a beautiful day so far. The sun is shining bright, so enjoy the rest of the day and be good. Until next episode, I love you. Bye.